Hello traders, welcome to this video on the profit line indicator for MT4. In this video, we'll cover how this indicator draws profit reference lines on the chart and what they help traders visualize. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Alright, so there we have it. As you can see, the profit line indicator draws a horizontal line on the MT4 chart that represents a specific profit target level relative to an entry point or an entry price. This line gives traders a clear visual reference for where their trade needs to reach in order to achieve a defined profit level. Some versions also draw corresponding stop loss lines, creating a visual trade structure on the chart. The presence of these lines makes the risk-reward relationship of a planned trade immediately visible. As for the indicator settings, we typically just have the font size and then the color as well. The color of the line, as you could see. So we can customize this and we can change our font size for this little display over here on the top left. Alright. Okay, we can change the size of this and then we can change the font size for this as well. The drag to calculate, as you can see over here. So who is this indicator for? This utility suits traders who want to visualize their profit targets directly on the chart during trade planning. It is a visual reference tool only. It does not execute trades or calculate automatic positions. The download link is in the description below. Visit the Forex Geek for more free tools. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. And I'll see you in the next video.